In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your search history on Expedia. Clearing your search history can be a crucial step in maintaining your privacy, ensuring your search habits remain personal, or simply tidying up your online presence. So whether you're sharing your device or just like to keep things clean, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This is an important first step because your search history is often associated with your web activities. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar and type in Expedia. Hit enter and wait for the search results to appear. From the list of results, identify the official Expedia website. Usually this will be the first result, or the one with expedia.com in its URL. Click on this link to access the Expedia homepage. This is where you'll manage all your search and account-related activities. Once you're on the Expedia homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, this is a great time to sign up. Having an account not only allows you to access your booking history, but also enables personalized features such as search history. Enter your email and password, then hit the login button. Alternatively, you can sign up by providing a few personal details if you're new to Expedia. After successfully logging in, locate the text fields that contain your search history or any previous records of your browsing activity on Expedia. These fields are typically found under your account settings or in sections labeled Recent Searches or History. Take a moment to explore these areas to find your search entries. Now, with your search history in view, you'll notice that each entry or location has a small X icon next to it. This symbol is your gateway to clearing out unwanted history entries. Each X is strategically placed for easy visibility and access. Hover over one of these entries, and the X should become more pronounced, indicating you can interact with it. Go ahead and click on the X next to the search entry you wish to delete. Doing this will immediately remove the specific search entry from your history. Sometimes you may receive a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete this item, so just confirm your action, and that entry will be gone from your list. That's all there is to it. You've successfully cleared your search history on Expedia. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your search data is kept as private as you wish. This can help streamline your future interactions with the site and maintain a clutter-free browsing experience. Remember, you can repeat these steps anytime you wish to clear more history entries. Thanks for watching, and make sure to tune in for more helpful tutorials.